This is something for people who like dark lipsticks and easy look, daily look. Give it a try. So once again, I have to go out quickly, and in winter I actually really love using dark lipstick. So I'm going to do a look which is natural, quick, but I'm going to use a dark lipstick. So I'm going to just quickly tie up my hair. Always a spray for me, definitely, to feel fresh. I've already moisturized my face and used my sunscreen, but I'm going to still moisturize further. For that, I'm going to use this serum. Use any serum of your choice as long as it's moisturizing. It doesn't matter which brand. Considering I'm going to be using the Studio Fix powder, which is also a foundation, it is important that I really hydrate my skin with whatever possible. This is my favorite. Under eyes for sure, and the sun-kissed areas, the highlighted areas. And anywhere else where you feel you need it. The lesser, the better. I'm using the PAC 219 concealer brush. Studio Fix. This is my foundation. I'm using the Huda Chameleon palette. Take a shade that looks like this or any shade that is neutral. And I'm gonna apply it on my upper eyelid. Very little till the crease line, and if you have hooded eyes, then you go a little beyond. Then take any soft blending brush. I'm going with my favorite, the PAC 204, and just blend the crease. No harsh lines. Softening the crease is so important. That's if you like soft looks, and I like these soft, relatable daily looks. So now this is softened, this is blended. Take any brown eyeshadow. This is Brune by MAC, and take a pencil brush and just line your lower outer lash line. The reason I do the outer part is because it kind of opens up the eyes. It looks nicer. But if you want to go all the way in, put kohl inside, it's up to you. And whatever is left on the brush, I'm going to put it on the outer corner just to create a shadow. And the outer corner. Now I'm going to just set my eyebrows and use a mascara, and my eye makeup is done. I don't want to go too bold on my eyes because my lipstick will be dark and I like to kind of balance that out usually. So eye makeup wise, that's it. I'm going to set my eyebrows. Mascara. A good mascara can actually line your eyes. See the difference? Eye makeup is done. Now I'm going to fill out and line my lips with a nude lip liner. Then take a darker lip liner as long as it works with your dark lipstick. I'm using the lipstick Diva by MAC, which is one of my favorites. This lipstick goes with most Indian skin tones and it's really dark. So if you're a dark lipstick lover, this looks beautiful in daylight. I'm going to mildly contour my face with this palette. I'm going to use this color. Don't want it too stark. First I'll take a sharp brush. Then I'm going to blend it out with a soft blush on brush. The leftover I'm going to just put on my temple and my jawline. I don't want it to be too stark. Use a sharp brush and then blend it out. I'm now going to contour my nose for a daily look. Now we'll go with blush. I'm using the shade Sunbask by MAC. I'm going to just spray my face so that the makeup stays. I'm going to take some pictures in daylight and show you how the makeup looks. Hope you found that easy. Do give it a try. This is something for people who like dark lipsticks and easy look, daily look. Give it a try.